Hello, my name is Junior and you're welcome here on my YouTube channel where I give you realistic drawing tutorials and how to draw videos. And if you are new here on my YouTube channel, start by subscribing in order to see my videos in time. So in today's video, we are going to draw a realistic eye for beginners step by step. So let's start drawing.
So you're going to start with that blackest part of the eye, the pupil. Draw it very well, and also draw the eyeball together. Draw the eye. Make sure that the shape of the eye, the eyeball, draw it very well. Put some highlight. That white part in the eye, highlight. Draw. Draw the highlight. Make sure that the picture is very good. Shade the pupil with a pencil. Shade it. Now go to the eyeball and start shading it. Step by step. If you are learning how to draw, you can follow me step by step. Shade it. This part is called the eyeless. And draw it very good. Make sure that the picture is very fine and very okay. If you have made a mistake, use an eraser and blend it using cotton. Draw the eyelids very well. Shade it. Put the highlight in the eye. Start making lines, those lines in the eye. Keep drawing. Can blend it using the cotton. Yeah, blend it. We're going to draw the eyelid. Before we draw the eyelid, make sure the eye is very perfect. If you're a beginner, follow step by step. will be perfect. Blend using a piece of paper. You're seeing that the shape of the eye is coming. Let's continue. Start drawing the eyelids. Draw them very properly, and also the down ones. Blend it and draw the eyelids. Blend. Make it perfect. Make it very perfect to see. If you're a beginner, I hope you are following the way I draw. Eyelids. The skin, very well. Use the branding stamp to blend very well on the eye skin down. You can use a piece of paper to also blend it very well. Make the drawing very catchy. So it is becoming perfect. Make sure that it is very, very perfect. Blend the part, but don't make it so dark. You can use charcoal powder or pencil, anything. Blend it. You see the eye is becoming very perfect. Now our eye is perfect. A question: does yours look like mine? Oh, so if you have any drawing and you're a beginner, you can put it in the comments. Write any drawing that you want me to draw for you. I will draw. Comment it and I will draw it for you. Use a nail laser to rub mistakes and blend the eye. Make it perfect. So you can see our eye is very good.
Hope the video was very helpful. If it was, leave a like, a comment, and share to your friends who would like to start drawing. So let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.